Welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I'm Abiola and I am with the Gatpa. If you are new, you are most welcome. You're in the right place. You want to know more about everything we cut and we craft. Yes, you're in the right place. So today, as we all know, Christmas is still in season. Yes, we are in the Christmas season, and Christmas is known with chocolate, drink. So today we are going to be doing an infusible ink project on a mug. Though I do not have the Cricut mug press, we are going to be using something different to do that today. This is an experiment that I have tried and it has worked, and I said let me share with you guys so you can also do likewise. So this is what today's video is all about, and if you want to see how I make this, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and I'll be back very soon. So we need about 10 supplies for this project, and I'll be introducing them to you one after the other. This is the first one, which is the Cricut infusible mug, and it's a sublimation mug. It has 2 count, which is 12 ounce per mug. And then going to the second thing, we need Cricut infusible ink, which is the buffalo check. And then the third thing is the heat resistant tape. We need a lint roller, a weeder, a scraper, trimmer, and then we also need a standard grip mat. That is the eighth thing, and there are 2 things which I can bring to this table, which is the Cricut machine, and the last thing I'll be telling you why we proceed, which is the most important. Without that, this is not going to stay on the mug. Yeah, so let's move on to the next step. I got my mug out of the box, and I also got the infusible ink out. So as always, I'll go ahead and measure what I need to cut out before I start cutting, so I'll have an accurate project. So I need about 3.5 by 3 to cut out of the buffalo check. I'll do that right away. I already have my design on the design space, just for me to size it up, and as I've measured earlier, I'll be putting 3.5 by 3 into the edit button. I will just unlock it right there so it doesn't go back to the previous sizing. And nothing to worry about when you're using design space, because to definitely give you promptings, just direct you on what next to do. So now I am there. So for infusible ink, you want to pull the shiny side up while you mirror your image. You definitely need to mirror your image, but you have to pull the shiny side up. So I'm at the point where I will need to select an accessory, so I'll wait for some minutes just for it to connect to my machine. Then after that, I will select. As you can see, it brought Maker 321E, so I'll be selecting that, and it will take me to the next point where I will be setting my material, which is Cricut infusible ink. Then I want to also increase the pressure or reduce the pressure or put it at default, so it depends on what you're cutting. So I want it to be at default, and I'll just do a lot of things I need to do. From there you see the progress of the cut as it's moving around the circle. So it will take about, let's say, 3 minutes maximum, depending on what you are cutting, how intricate it is, how wide it is, and so many other factors like that. Are you listening? I actually speed this up. It's not as fast as you're watching right now. I don't want to waste your time, so I speed it up. So my project is complete and I have it now. So I'll go ahead and start weeding, removing the parts I don't want. I have my cut showing and reviewed. So I'll go ahead and place it on the cup and wrap it with the tape. But before I wrap the cut on the mug, I'm going to be lint rolling it with this lint roller so I can get all the dirt or anything attached to the cup. So now I'm going to be placing the lint roller under the mug so to give it a stable position. Then I'll get my project cut out clean and beautiful. I want to place it on the mug. Now I have it all attached to the mug, so I'll go ahead and tape it. I want to tape it very well. So this is my first layer of tape. I'm going to be going over it the second time and probably so I'm done with taping. As you can see, this is well taped. I mean super taped. So I'll just go ahead to the next step. And this was what I was talking about. This is going to do the magic. This is an hair fryer. I watched the Maker's Gonna Learn video about infusible ink and I have one at home. Yes, so I'm going to be using this today. I actually wish for a mug press, but for now I'm not I can't afford it. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this for today. And this is what you do. You plug it in, you set it to 380 degrees, then you place the mug for 3 minutes, then after you come back and flip it over, then do it for another 3 minutes, making 6 minutes, and that will be all. Then you make it and you make sure that it's cool before you peel and review your design. So I will do that and I'll be back. I'm going to be getting it out. I flipped it over, so then I'll be setting it on this. Yeah. So I will let it cool down before I peel, then I review. So it's now cool. Yeah. So I'm going to be revealing it. That's so tight, like super tight. That is the first layer I'm peeling. So guys, this is the final look. Isn't this beautiful? I really do love it. So I have a Christmas chocolate mug now. I hope you find this video interesting. So before I go, let me ask, how is your Christmas going? Hope you're having a wonderful time. Hope you're having a beautiful time. Share with me in the comment section, how is your Christmas holiday going and how are you preparing for the coming year? I want to know in the comment section. If you want to get any supplies, there are links in the description box. And if you want to watch more videos, there are also links there that will just take you there straight without stress. So watch more videos, learn more about Cricut. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do enjoy the Christmas period. And this is your crafty friend telling you, create your own happiness because it's in your head. See you in my next video. Bye.